Welcome Junior Takis, I am Mrs. Ramlal. Thank you for watching the videos on the leaf. There are 4 videos in this section. There are 2 theory videos and 2 exam videos. This video is an exam question 2 on the leaf. Before you do the exam questions, make sure you print out the notes, watch the theory videos, print the memo and have the questions with you also at hand. Right, let's get down to question 2. This question is based on the diagram of the leaf, which is quite a famous question for you to be asked in grade 10. Right, the questions begin with 2.1 to 2.4 and this question is out of 7. Right, let's get to the question. Identify tissues D, E and F. Now, D might be unclear. So I always start off with what I do know. E I already know is the lower epidermis, as you can see here. F, if you look at F, has a very thickened wall. So you already should know this part here is the vascular bundle and the thickened part or the thickened tissue or cell is the xylem. So F is the xylem, and then of course directly opposite the xylem, which is the part of the vascular bundle, is the phloem. So F is xylem, D is phloem, and E is the lower epidermis. Now, the arrows indicate the movement of an inorganic compound. What is this inorganic compound? So here, if you look at these arrows, you can see that this arrow, this inorganic compound is leaving the xylem. What leaves the xylem? You already should know the inorganic compound is water. 2.3. In what phase of matter is this compound lost from the leaf? Now you know water is lost in the form of water vapor. And that is transpiration, and that takes place through the stomata. And what phase? That will be gas phase. 2.4. Give 2 reasons why the plant from which this leaf has been taken would not be able to survive in hot, dry conditions. Now, hot, dry conditions, those are usually xerophytes. And those plants must have a very thick cuticle. Their stomata must be more sunken. They must have hairs and they must have thorns. Now, if you look at this leaf, there is none of that in this leaf for this plant to survive. Right, so let's go to the memo. I've included the memo so you can have a look at the answers as you wrote them down. Make sure whenever you are labeling a letter or a structure, have the letter and then the label as well. It will prepare you for matric. Thank you for watching the exam question 2 video on the leaf. Join me for my other videos as well.